RecPro.com, and today we have Nick here, who is our shade specialist, and he's going to show us installation and operation for our RV roller shades and our RV day and night pleated shades.
We're showing the installation of the RV roller shade. We're going to take the roller shade mounting clip with the spring side up, and we're going to go ahead and screw it in with one screw into the wall. We're going to take the second roller shade mounting clip. We'll go ahead and install that over on the left side over here. Now, one thing that is important for support of the RV roller shade is that the brackets are spaced as far as possible compared to the rail itself. It gives maximum support. There are little ears here, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to rock the shade onto those ears, like so. Now we're going to show operation. The shades come pre-adjusted for speed and for upper stop limit set. Take the shade down and it stops, and then to retract it, simply pull it and let go. Now, if you want to have the shade stop higher in your window or lower, on the right side is a clear dial. That's the limit set adjuster. You simply rotate it clockwise to raise where the limit stops. We'll show that, we'll operate it. The shade goes up and stops higher. If you want it to stop lower, you're going to rotate the clear knob clockwise, and that will bring your adjustment down if your balance is smaller. Likewise, if you want to increase or lower the speed, the black dial is for the speed. Going counterclockwise reduces the speed, so we're going to go ahead and do that, and we'll demonstrate a slower speed. For faster speed, we're going to go clockwise. And there you have it. So next we're going to install the RV pleated shade. We've got one bracket installed. We'll put the second one in place. These brackets take 2 screws. Now we're going to install the pleated shade out of the clips. Put it on the lid, rock it up, and in place. You'll hear a snap. Now that we have the pleated shade mounted into the top brackets, we're going to now install the bottom bobbins. Now, we're going to mount these bobbins in line with the side of the shade down to approximately the drop of the shade. Then on the other side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to raise the shade up, even there, up over there. That's even. We're going to do the same thing. Now remember, feel for the little tip. There's a little tip on this plastic bobbin so that when you screw it into the wall, it digs into the wall so that it won't spin after the installation's made. The last thing to check is to see that the strings are parallel with each other and in line with the side edge. Now that the shade is installed, we're going to check for tension. Tension seems to be just fine. Raise and lower the shade. One thing important about the operation of a pleated day-night shade is that you operate each shade section individually and not at the same time. One at a time, the shade will work fine. If you try to operate both at the same time, you'll struggle trying to raise the shade up. If you want to adjust the tension of the pleated shade, you can either wind the cord around the bobbin to increase the tension, or you can take the cord and move the knot down if you want to loosen the tension of the shade. That's it.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and to shop either the roller shades or the RV day and night pleated shades, just click on the links below and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe below. Thanks.